Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and missing your schools too. We already started a new lesson of class 5 and that is fractions. In fractions lesson you learnt the meaning of the fraction, types of fractions, addition of fraction. In previous video you learned addition of like fractions, unlike fraction and addition of mixed fractions. Okay, in today's class you are going to learn about subtraction of fractions. Here also you will get like fraction, unlike fraction and subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay, already you know what are the like fractions. The fractions having same denominator. See, let us see here some examples. A fraction having same denominator are called like fractions. Unlike fractions means a fraction having different denominators. Here 12 is there and here 4 is there, there 3 is there and 7 is there. That kind of fractions we are calling unlike fractions. Already you know how to do this. Okay, what you did in addition, no, here also you have to follow the same procedure. There you added but here you have to subtract. Already you know the fractions addition. What you did there? See here, 5 plus 1 means you added there, but here when you are subtracting you just subtract the numerator and keep the denominator as it is. See here, 5 minus 1 is there. If you subtracted 5 minus 1 means you will get 4 and 6 minus 6 0. If you wrote like this means your answer is wrong. You have to keep 6 as it is. Okay, when you are subtracting you just add the subtract the numerator. Okay, already you know when you are writing here 5 by 6 is there. 6 shows the whole number, total number of parts, and it shows how many parts are shaded there. 6 represents the whole and 5 represents how many parts are shaded in that figure. So when you are subtracting you have to subtract the numerator, don't subtract the denominator. Okay, then let us take one more example here. See here, 4 minus 2 is 2 and you keep 7 as it is. Subtraction of like fractions is very easy. Okay, 2 minus 1 is how much here? 1 and 3 as it is. Most of the students are what they are doing when they are solving the example, no, they are subtracting the denominator also. Okay, if you are doing like that means it's wrong. Always when you are observing the numerator it represents the shaded part and denominator represents total number of parts in the given fraction. So for that purpose only you have to subtract the denominator. 5 minus 1 is 4 and you have to keep the shaded part as it is. 6 as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 7 as it is. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 as it is. This is subtraction of like fractions. Then what we do in unlike fractions? Subtraction of unlike fractions. Already you know when you are converting unlike fraction to like fraction means you have to see the denominator. Denominator is different is there means you have to take the LCM. After that you have to make them as a like fractions. Then we are going to find subtract the numbers. So let us take these examples. I will solve this. See here, observe this example. The example is there in unlike fraction. So we have to take here the LCM of denominator. What is there here? LCM 12 and 4. Okay, so you have to take here LCM. I will solve this example afterwards. Okay, see here we have to take LCM of 12 and 4. Here you write 4 and here you take 12. Already this all you did in when you are solving the addition. Please keep practicing the examples, okay? Until and unless you will not practice, this kind of examples will not come. So please try to solve this kind of examples. Very, very important chapter, okay? Then let us start with, see here 4 and 12 are there in 4 ones a table. Yes, they are there. So you have to take 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. I hope you are practiced how to remove the LCM of the given number. There so many methods are there, but when you are solving in fractions, you use division method. Okay, then 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Next, you take 3 here, 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3. 4 into 3. What you have to do here? 4 threes are 12. What is the LCM here? 4 threes are 12. LCM is 12. Next step, you have to see here, you have to convert this fractions to like fraction. Take here 9 by 12, 2 by 4, into, equal. What I have to write here? Already you know what to write here? LCM. How much is their LCM? 12. Here you write 12 and here also you have to write 12. Okay. Then what we have to observe here? You have to observe here denominator. See here 12. How much is that 12? 12 ones are 12. When you are multiplying numerator and denominator, no, that time you have to multiply with numerator and denominator also. See here, take here 1 and 1. 12 ones are 12, 9 ones are 9. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, here 12 is there. 4, how much is that 12? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Therefore, you have to take here 3. 4 threes are 12. And what number you are taking here? No, you take it as a numerator also. Okay, 4 threes are 12, 2 threes are 6. See here, 9 by 12 and 6 by 12. Now they are like fractions or unlike fractions? They are like fractions. Therefore, the difference between 9 by 12 and 6 by 12 is, okay, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 12 as it is. Don't write here 0. 9 by 6 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3 and 12 as it is. I hope you understood this concept. I will solve here one more example. Okay, I will take here one more example. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 7. Here also you have to follow the same procedure. What we have to do here? You have to take the LCM of 3 and 7. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 7 as it is, 1 as it is, 7 ones are 7. When you are observing the composite numbers, this lesson is there, no? This chapter is there in next class. I will teach you that time. Okay, 3 and 7. 3 ones are 3, 7 as it is, 7 ones are and 1 as it is. 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. LCM is 21. Next step here 2 by 3 and 3 by 7. Okay, here you take into and into, equal. What I have to write here? 21, because my LCM is 21. Here also you have to take 21. Then tell me 3 how much are 21? 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 2 sevens are 14. Numerator and denominator you take same number. Okay, next here 7 how much are 21? 7 threes are 21. The same number you have to take as a numerator also. Next step 3 threes are 9. Okay, here now see, these are unlike fractions. I converted them as a like fractions. 14 by 21, 9 by 21. Next step what you have to do? 14 by 21 minus 9 by 21. Okay, then tell me 14 minus 9 is 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. And the denominator 21. Don't write here 0. 14 minus 9 is 5. 21 by 20 and 21 denominator you keep as it is. See here, like fractions addition is very easy because they are already given in like fractions. Just you are subtracting the numerator and keeping the answer. But here these two steps are extra. First you have to take the LCM. After that you have to convert them as a like fractions. Then you are subtracting the number. Okay. I will take here one more example. 8 by 10 minus 3 by 5. 8 by 10, 8 by 10, 8 by 10 minus 8 by 10 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5. I am solving these examples from your practice time. See here, when you are observing these videos, try to solve whichever the examples are solved by me. Okay, then you try to solve that 2 to 3 times. Solve each example 2 to 3 times, then you go to next example. Then only you are going to understand this. Okay, and when you are solving, the interest is very, very important. Okay, and time is very precious, so don't waste your time. 8 by 10 minus 3 by 5. What is there here? First step, we have to take LCM. Okay, take here 10 and 5. Then tell me, both are there in same table? Yes. In which table? 5 ones are table. 5 twos are and 5 ones are, 2 ones are 2, 1 as it is. Then you have to take these numbers. 5 twos are 10. How much? 5 twos are 10. The LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. Then take here 8 by 10, 3 by 5 into equal. Okay. What I have to write here? Denominator 10. Why? Because my LCM is 10. 10, how much is 10? 10 ones are 10 ones are 10, 8 ones are 8. 5, how much are 10? 5 twos are 10, 3 twos are 6. 5 twos are 10 and 3 twos are 6. When you are taking here 2 or 1 means how much will come? No, the same number you have to take it as a numerator. Okay, 3 twos are 6, 5 twos are 10. Then take here 8 by 10 minus 6 by 10. Here 8 minus 6 is 2 and 10 as it is. Don't write here 0. If you are writing like this means you will get a wrong answer. Okay, this is the subtraction of unlike fractions. When you are solving, whichever the examples are solved by Bino, that examples first you try. And if you are getting confusion, watch this video often, then only you come to know how to solve these examples. Okay, this is the subtraction of like fractions and subtraction of unlike fractions. Then one more concept is there here, subtraction of mixed numbers. Already you know what are mixed fractions and what are improper fractions. Okay, when you are already you know about this, you already solved addition examples. What you did in that, no, you have to do here also the same procedure. Okay, I will take here some examples. Subtraction of mixed fractions, mixed numbers. In addition, you have know about two methods. One is subtracting the whole numbers and one more is converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. I will follow here method 2. Here there is no need to see the method 1 or method 2. Directly you have to solve which method you want, no, that method. Okay, I will take here one example. 3 integer 1 by 4 minus 1 integer 1 by 2. How to read this? 3 integer 1 by 2 minus 1 integer 1 by 2. And most of the students are writing like this. For example, 3 integer 1 by 4 is there, no? They are writing like this, 3 integer 1 by 4. No. Okay, how it looks? It looking like 31 by 4. See here, first you have to write 1 by 4, and where this dividing line is there, no, there you have to give 3. This is the way to write mixed fraction. 3 integer 1 by 4. Don't write 31 by 4. Some are writing 30. They are writing there down. It's 34 like this. No. How to write this? You have to write, first you have to write this 1 by 4, and where dividing line is there, no, there you have to write 3. This type you have to write the mixed fractions. 3 integer 1 by 4, 1 integer 1 by 2. This type you have to read. Okay. Then already you know how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. This is there in mixed fraction. How to do this? First you have to multiply, okay, then you have to add. Here you have to multiply and here you have to add. Okay, then how to do this? 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, and denominator as it is, means 13 by 4 is the answer. I will repeat once again. 4 3s are, first you have to multiply, and whatever you get product, no, you have to add that number in this. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the answer is 13 by 4. Next, subtraction sign. Next, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. I hope you are getting my point. When you are converting mixed to improper, first you have to multiply, whatever you get answer, no, you add. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. Now what you steps followed in previous, means what I solved that subtraction of a unlike fraction, no, the same procedure you have to follow here also. Okay, then here now they are improper fraction. First I have to take the LCM of 4 and 2. Here you have to take 4 and 2. Okay, both are there in 2 1s are table. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 1 as it is. Next to multiply 2 into 2. What I have to write here? 4. 2 2s are 4. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Next procedure same. 13 by 4. Okay. Here 3 by 2 into equal. Here what I have to take? 4, because my LCM is 4. Then tell me 4 how much are 4? 4 1s are 4. Okay. 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. The same number you have to take numerator also. Next, 13 1s are 13. 4 1s are 4. 3 2s are 6. I hope you are getting my point. Here I converted this mixed fraction to improper fraction. I took LCM of 4 and 2. Next I converted them as a like fractions. Next, 13 by 4 minus 6 by 4. Okay, 13 minus 6 is 7. And 4 as it is. So the answer is 7 by 4. Here now observe, this is proper fraction or improper fraction? This is improper fraction. Why? Because denominator is small and numerator is big. Already you know about types of fractions. So convert them as a improper fraction. Okay. 4 and here you take 7. 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. See here, you have to write in reverse order. 1 integer 3 by 4. 1 integer 3 by 4. 1 integer 3 by 4. See here, this type you have to solve. 7 by 4 is there, and here you have to write 1 integer 3 by 4. Okay, if you are writing this is also correct, but maybe your answers are there in mixed fractions. That time you have to convert them as a improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, then I will take one more example. Okay, I will take here one more example. 9 integer 2 by 6. 9 integer 2 by 6 minus 3 integer 1 by 4. Okay, what I have to do here? First step, you have to multiply here and add, multiply and addition. Okay, 6 nines are, first multiplication of both the numbers. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 54 plus 2, 56. 56 by 6 minus 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 4. I hope you are getting my point. See here, 6 nines are 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, next step you have to take the LCM of 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Next, I will take here 6 and 4 are there in 2 on the table. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Next you take 2. 3 as it is. 2 1s are 1. 3 1s are 3. 1 as it is. 2 into 2 into 3. What is the LCM here? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so the answer is, means our answer is, our LCM is 12. So next step, take here 56 by 6, 13 by 4 into equal. What I have to take here? 12, because my LCM is here 12. Okay, next 6 how much is 6 how much is 12? 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. The same number you have to take up also. 4 how much is 12? 4 3s are 12. Next the same number you have to take here also. Okay, then take here 56 2s are 13. 3s are 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. If you are getting confusion here, take here 56 by 56 into 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So you have to write here 112. Next 13 3s are 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So here you have to write 39. If you are getting confusion to multiply, you have to do a rough work and write the correct answer. Next step here, 112 by 12 minus 39 by 12. If you are getting a confusion here to subtract, take here 112 minus 39. Okay, 12 minus 9 is 3 and 11 minus 4 is how much? 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, 7. Next 1 minus 1 is 0. Here you have to write 73 by 12. Okay, now observe the answer is there in proper fraction or improper? Improper, because here numerator is small and denominator is big. So let us divide that number 73 with 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 12 5s are 60 will come here. 12 6s are 72. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 7 minus 7 is 0. So you have to write in reverse section. 6 integer 1 by 12. 6 integer 1 by 12. If you are writing this is also correct, but try to write the answer in mixed fraction. See, I will repeat once again. 9 integer 2 by 6 minus 3 integer 1 by 4. First you have to convert. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. And 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And your denominator you keep as it is. Next you take the LCM of 6 and 4 here. What is the LCM? 12. Next you convert them as here. I took 6 to the 12. Okay. Next 4 3s are 12. The same number you have to take numerator also and multiply. You will get 112 by 12, 39 by 12. Subtract 73 by 12 and I converted them as a mixed fraction. I hope you understood this class. Subtraction of like fraction, subtraction of unlike fraction, subtraction of mixed numbers. Very easy. If you understood addition, then you can solve the subtraction examples very easily. Okay. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.